Hello everyone, my name is Kevin Quinn. I'm known around Anaheim as the Targus Doctor. There's a bunch of us doctors worldwide. I'm just one of them, the original. That's why I'm the doctor. Sorry I couldn't be with you here today, but I am going to show you a cool little application of our Dock 310. A lot of our docking stations can do this. We like the 310 because it kind of fits the sweet spot for most of the work at home desktop setups we see or workstation setups we see. Here, what I'm going to see is I'm running a Windows desktop on one monitor and I'm running the DeX desktop on another. Why would I might want to do that? Well, I have applications that only run on DeX, or I have things that only run on Windows, or I want to use DeX for my home working and I want to use Windows for my home personal, right? And that's what I kind of got set up here. This account here is a Targus engineering account, but think of it as a personal account. And over here, I'm actually using my DeX account through my DeX desktop, using my accounts that are tied to Targus. And what I'm going to show you, for instance, is I don't have Teams set up on this Windows PC, but I have Teams set up in my phone. And so what I'm going to do here is make a quick phone call to Madison Newman. She may be there with you. If she does show up, get a hold of her. She's great. Marketing person, understands our docking stations. So I'm making a Teams call using my DeX desktop to Madison. Hey, Madison, there she is. She took a minute to answer. Madison, wave to everybody. I don't know if you're going down to Texas. I can't make it, so I'm kind of jealous. But anyway, there's Madison. If you get a chance, meet her. But again, an example of just using an application that maybe I only have in DeX, like you see my audio application here. I'm just really little audio spectrum analyzer, runs in the DeX environment, doesn't run in Windows. So I'm just using it to show you that I'm running on a DeX desktop and running an application specific to Desk. Again, DeX desktop, Windows desktop, all my peripherals, my earbuds, my keyboard, my mouse, all of that running through the Targus 310. Plug everything into the Targus 310, plug your Targus 310 into your Samsung PC, and then plug your phone into the docking station, and voila, you can do this same thing. Get a hold of us, you want to know how to set it up, but we are doing a video for that, and I'm going to show you that next.